Welcome to Home of Math, solving word problems on linear equation, episode 4. Our question: if 3 times number is added to 5 times that number, the sum will be 32. Find the number. So we don't know the number, therefore we can write, let's define the unknown number as x. Okay, according to the problem. Look, here is 3 things: 3 times number, 5 times number, we will make addition and the sum will be 32. So 32 is our summation. So this is our add. 3 times, it means 3x, and 5 times means 5x, right? So 3x plus 5x equals to 32. So we have to find out the unknown number or find the number. This one we can write 3x plus 5x, it should be 8x, equals to 32. Now we can divide both sides by 8. So 8x divide 8, and here 32 divide 8. We can write divide both sides by 8. Okay, then 8 divide 8 is a 1, so x equals to 32 divide 8 is a 4, because 4 times 8 is a 32. So our answer is 4. Now let's check, is it okay or not? 3 times 4 plus 5 times 4. 3 times 4 is a 12, and 5 times 4 is a 20, and 12 plus 20 is a 32. So our answer is okay. Answer x equals to 4. X is a unknown number. So number 28 done. Number 29. If twice of a number is subtracted from 4 times the number, the difference will be 24. Find the number. So it's almost similar. We can write, let the number be x. This math we are trying to solve a different method. You can solve earlier method which we already did, or you also can follow present method which now I am doing. Now look, twice of a number. So this one we can write twice of a number equals to 2x. Then 4 times of the number equals to 4x. Now according to the problem, here mentioned, if twice of a number is subtracted from, look, from, it means 4 times the number. So 4 times will become first, then minus 2x equals to, the difference will be 24. So here is 24. Okay, so now it's very simple. 4x minus 2x is a 2x equals to 24. Then we can divide both sides by 2. So 2x divide 2 equals to 24 divide 2, right? Now what, 2 and 2 out, so x equals to 24 by 2 is a 12, right? So our answer is equals to x equals to 12. Let's verify. 4 times 12 minus 2 times 12. So 4 times 12 is a 48 minus 2 times 12 is a 24. Now look, 48 minus 24 is a 24. This is a 24. So our answer is right. So different way you can solve your problem, but have to maintain this one. Okay. So number 28 and 29 done. Now we will start 30. Number 30. If the price of a pen is less than its specified price by 2 taka, the price would be 10 taka. What is the price of the pen? So do you understand anything? Look, here mention, suppose now pen price is X, okay, suppose, but if you make less than, or if you subtract 2 taka from this price, it means X minus 2, it will become 10. Now we have to find out the price of pen. So pen means X. So this scenario we can write like this. Let the pen price be X taka, okay, or X taka or X, any kinds of currency, we don't know, dollar, pound, anything, but it should be X. Now we can write, if the price become 2 taka less, then price will be X minus 2. Okay. Now as per problem, X minus 2 equals to 10. So what is the price of the pen? So X we can add to both sides. So minus 2 plus 2 equals to 10 plus 2. So this minus 2 and plus 2 out, and the answer will be X equals to 12, and this is our answer. The answer 12 taka. Okay, very simple. So number 30 done. Question 31. Monica has 4 times more chocolates than Konika. They have 24 chocolates together. How many chocolates does Konika have? Okay, look, here is 2 persons, Monica and Konika. They have some chocolate, right? This is Konika and this is Monica, and they are together. Price is what? 25. But Monica has 4 times chocolate. How many times? 4 times chocolate. It means Monica, if Konika chocolate is X, then Monica chocolate is 4X, and together 25. So we can easily find out the value of X, it means Konika. So we can write like this. Let's the Konica number of chocolates X. So Monica chocolate what? Monica chocolate 4 times equals to 4x. According to the problem, together chocolate is 25. So x plus 4x equals to what? 25. So x plus 4x is a 5x equals to 25. Now we can divide both sides by 5. So 5x divide 5 equals to 25 divide 5, right? So x equals to what? 5, because 25 by 5 is a 5. Now easily we can say Konica chocolate 5, and here not mentioned, but we can understand Monica chocolate 4x equals to 5 times 4 is a 20. Now look, 5 plus 20 is a 25. So very simple. So 31 done. Next question. The sum of two consecutive even natural number is 30. Find the numbers. Look, this is very interesting question, because we have to now we have to know several things. First, what is consecutive number? Consecutive means one by one, like 1, 2, 3. This is a consecutive number. But here is some condition which is even, like 2, 4, 6. This is a consecutive even number. Another condition, natural number. These are natural number, because natural number means it's a perfect number. It means no fraction or decimal. Okay. Now we have to find out that two numbers which once we make addition we will get 30. In this case we can write like this. Look, another thing, consecutive number, one number should be smaller and another number should be larger. In this case we can write, let the smaller even natural number, let the smaller even natural number be x. Okay. Then next consecutive number, consecutive even number be x plus 2. Why 2? Look, 10 is a natural number and even number. Once we make 2, it will become 12. So 10 and 12 is a consecutive number. Okay. So only once we add 2 with another natural number and even number, we will get next even number. Okay. So one is x another one is x plus 2. So x can be anything like 50. So next consecutive number is 52 because 50 plus 2 is a 52. Now according to the problem, now according to the problem, here mention the sum of, it means two consecutive number we make addition, x plus 2 equals to what? Here is 30. Then x plus 2 equals to 30. Then x plus x is a 2x, and this plus no need in left side, so plus 2 minus 2 equals to 30 minus 2, right? Then 2x, this plus and minus, it means plus 2 and minus 2 out, so here is 30 minus 2 is a 28. Now we can divide both side by 2, so 28 by 2, so these two out, x equals to 28 by 2 is a 14. So our answer is 14. But find the numbers. Here mention numbers. It means x equals to 14. So smaller, even, x equals to 14. Next consecutive, even, x plus 2, it means 14 plus 2 is a 16. So 14 and next consecutive number is 16. Once we make addition, 14 plus 16 is a 30. Now look, natural number, once we make summation, it will become 30. So our answer is what? Answer 14 and 16. Okay, I hope you clear this one. If you have any question, please write a line in the comments box. Today's last question, and question number is 33. If you understand 32, you can understand 33 also. Here mention the sum of 3 consecutive odd natural number is 27. Find the numbers. So odd and even we know, right? Even we can divide by 2, odd we cannot divide by 2. So the sum of 3 consecutive odd number. Let's consider first odd number is 1. So next odd number should be 3. And next odd number should be 5. So this one and this one difference is 2. And this one and this one difference also 2. So if we consider first odd number is x, so next odd number should be x plus 2, and third odd number should be x plus 2 with plus 2. It means x plus 4. So these things we can write like this. Answer, let the first odd number be x. Look, all the numbers should be natural, no fraction or decimal. And second odd number be x plus 2. Third odd number be x plus 4, right? Now according to the problem, we can say the sum of 3 consecutive odd numbers. So first number plus second number plus third number, and a result will be 27. Okay, now here is x, x, x. It should be what? 3x plus 2 plus 4 is a 6 equals to 27. So this 6 no need to keep in left side. So we can write 3x plus 6 minus 6 equal to 27 minus 6. We can write subtract both side by 6. Okay, so this 6 and 6 out. We can say 3x equals to 27 minus 6 is a 21. So we can divide both side by 3. 21 by 3. So this 3 and 3 is 3. We can make out. So x equals to 21 by 3 is a 7. 7. So first odd number x equals to 7. Second odd number x plus 2, it means 7 plus 2 equals to 9, right? Third odd number x plus 4 equals to what? X is a 7 plus 4 equals to 11. Now look, 7 then 9 then 11, these are consecutive number. So here mentioned find the numbers. So numbers are what? 7, 9 and 11. And more interesting thing, 11 plus 9 is a 20, 20 plus 7 is a 27. Okay, so no more today. This video we are trying to solve lots of math 28 to 33, which is very important for any kinds of competitive examination, especially IGCSE and SET. So please subscribe my channel, because by this channel you will get lots of things for your examination preparation. So for math practice, subscribe my channel, share with your friends, and if you have any problem, please write a line in the comments box.